Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Roop Sandhu, and if you're watching my video for the first time, then please consider to subscribe to my channel and also click on bell. So today in this video, I'm going to do a review and swatches of Renee lip and cheek tint. And after that, I'm also going to show you guys how I created this look by using some products from Renee, which was sent to me some days back. So let's start the review. This is the Renee lip and cheek tint. It comes in a very beautiful jar, and this is the box which contained the product. It's all black and the shade names are properly mentioned on the color coded strip right here, and also the names are mentioned below the pot. Price of this product is $7.50 and we get 8 grams of product in it. Normally in a lipstick we get 3 to 4 grams of product, but in this we get double amount. These tints are very pigmented and they are very smooth to apply. They glide very smoothly and you can apply these tints with your finger as well as with a brush. If you want a good coverage from these products, you can apply more, and if you want a very medium natural coverage, then you can just apply a little bit and blend it with your finger. The key ingredient of this product are almond oil, coconut oil, shea butter, and also it is enriched with vitamin E. This product is non-toxic, cruelty-free and vegan. These tints feel really great on the lips. They moisturize and nourish the lips. The lips feel really very healthy, just like we feel after applying a lip balm. So that was a quick review of Renee lip and cheek tint. Now I'm going to show you guys these swatches. I'm also going to mention the links of these products or any other product which I'm going to use in this video in the description, so you have to check it out. And now I'm going to show you guys these swatches on my hand, my lips and my cheeks. These were the swatches of Renee lip and cheek tint, and now I'm going to show you guys how I created this look by using the makeup products by Renee. Let's start. Alright guys, so I'm done with my foundation. I've done a very light coverage of foundation and I've also done my brows. So now I'm going to move on to my eye makeup, and for that I have Fab Face Nude and Fab Face Diva. And here are the swatches of Fab Face Nude. This shade is for lips, cheeks and eyes. And here are the swatches of Fab Face Diva. This is for lips, cheeks and eyes. So I'm going to go with Fab Face Nude, and I'm going to pick this shade and apply it in the outer corners. I'm just going to dab it on my eyes and blend it. After that I will take the shimmer shade and I'm going to apply it right here and just going to blend it nicely. So next I'm going to apply eyeliner on my waterline, and for that I'm going to use Renee Kohlistic Kajal Pen. Now this product, when I used it for the first time, it became my instant favorite product. This is a retractable kajal and this has a very smooth application. It dries super soon. It is smudge proof, waterproof and long lasting. You surely need to try this product. It is only for rupees 350 and it is such a promising product. So now I'm going to apply this eyeliner on my waterline and I will apply it very carefully. And now coming on to the lashes, I have this very beautiful set of lashes. This looks really very stunning. Its name is not mentioned, but the number is 01 and the price is $4.99. So now I'm going to apply mascara, put on these lashes and be right back. Alright guys, so the lashes are done and these look really stunning. They are very dramatic. So now I'm going to go back to the Fab Face Nude and pick this particular shade and apply it on my cheeks as a blush. I'm going to dab it on my skin so that it looks all natural. And now I'm going to move on to the lips, and I'm going to pick this shade from the Fab Face Nude and I'm going to apply it on my lips. This is a proper nude shade. It's a very light nude shade. I will also take this particular shade from the Fab Face Diva and apply it in the outer corners of my lips, and then I'm just going to blend the two of these shades together so that there is a perfect shade. Next I'm going to apply a highlighter, and I have Strobe Queen Face Highlighter. Now this particular highlighter, you need to just apply it and blend the edges of this highlighter. If you blend it too much, it will nearly disappear. So you can also use this product as a base for your powder highlighter. So I'm just going to apply it on the cheekbones just like that and blend it very little bit. Now this particular highlighter gives a very natural shine to the face. The shine is very natural, it is not very bright. So yeah, this is a very natural highlighter. The ice shade from the Fab Face Diva and Nude can also be used as highlighters. So I'm almost done with all these products, and this is the final look which I have achieved. It is very beautiful, natural, glowy makeup, peachy makeup, and I absolutely loved it. Please let me know what you think about this makeup in the comment section. I would love to reply you guys back. So let's do a quick review of all these products. I loved the lip and cheek tint. These are very nourishing on the lips. I personally loved the shade Bear Pink and Pandora Pink. The next product which I absolutely loved is the Kohlistic Kajal Pen. Now this is such an amazing product. It is very intense, it is smooth to apply, dries quickly, it is smudge proof, waterproof, and I loved it. I love the lashes and also the Fab Face, which can be used for lips, cheeks and eyes. So that was all about this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you still have not subscribed to my channel, then please do it right now, and also click on bell icon and also like the video. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.